channel, guys. This is Erica Loves Cooking TV. And so guys, today I'm gonna make some white rice and some stewed chicken and some salad, guys. Chicken is already seasoned, so we're just gonna go straight to start cooking the chicken and then I'll move to the rice. Okay guys, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil in the pot. Don't need a lot of oil. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add my chicken. So I'm gonna put some garlic down. Guys, it's onion, scallion, celery, carrots, tomato, and sweet pepper, guys. So these are unbrowning. So I'm just gonna let this cook up a bit. So we wash the chicken, guys. We take off all the skin. Take off all the skin, guys, and there you go, guys. We take off all the skin. This is our chicken cut up. So we took off all the skin. The only part of skin is the wing. And so, guys, we're gonna cover this and let it cook up for a while. Just stir it, guys. Gonna cover this and let it cook down. When it's almost finished, guys, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce and some tomato sauce in it. Okay, guys, so right here I have some parboiled rice. So I'm gonna wash this. It will cook. Parboiled rice. I'm gonna cut some steam, some cabbage, my lettuce, my sweet pepper, my tomato. Then I'm gonna use to make my salad, guys. So I'll be back, guys, as soon as I wash the rice and put it on the stove to go. Okay, guys. So here I'm gonna wash the rice. I'm cooking a lot of rice, guys. Every time I cook rice, it just go in the garbage. So we don't eat a lot of rice anymore. So I'm just gonna wash this. Guys, see how dirty this is? You have to wash your rice. This is very dirty. Can you imagine just cook your rice just so? Can't cook the rice just like this, guys, because the rice, these days the rice is very dirty. I don't know if it's always been like that. So you have to wash the rice at least 3 times. See? This is the second time and the water is still dirty. Yes, guys, so there you go. The water is a little bit cleaner. I don't know if it's the rice dirty or it's coloring they put on the rice. So I don't know what's the problem. So what I'm putting in this, guys, I'm gonna put some Maggi seasoning there and some butter. No, I'm not using any butter because the chicken already have oil, so I'm not using any butter. I'm just gonna put some Maggi seasoning there and a little bit of salt at least. Alright, guys, I'll take it back, guys, as soon as I put this on the stove. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning in the rice. Okay. pot. I just put some all-purpose seasoning in there. That's enough. Alright, you guys, I'm cooking the rice and then I'll be back for the cabbage, guys. So guys, right here I have a handful, I would say a handful of string beans that I got from my garden. Last week Sunday I took a handful and this week again I took another handful. So I'm just gonna steam this with the cabbage. So guys, I'm not really making the cabbage small, big. I'm just cutting it small, big, somewhat. So I'm not doing it kind. I'm just steaming this or boiling this. That's why I'm putting the cabbage, guys, because I'm just cooking it, boiling it. So Maggi all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna boil it with some seasoning, salt, guys, and a little bit of oil. Sometimes I see this can be like so just gonna boil this on the stove. Guys, I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put the cabbage. Once I get boiling up, guys, I'm gonna pack the cabbage in there. Just use your finger tea.